How to remove text from an image in Canva. Here's an image that I uploaded to Canva. This could be any kind of image that you upload that is containing some text. Now let me show you the two best ways to remove text from an image in Canva. The first thing you want to do is to left click on your image. Next tap on Edit Photo in the upper left corner of the screen. And then under Magic Studio here, tap on Magic Eraser. Please note that you need a Canva Pro subscription to use this feature. So click on Magic Eraser. And we can now use the Magic Eraser to remove text from our image here in Canva. As our text here is really big, we first need to increase the brush size of our Magic Eraser tool. We can do that with this slider here on the left side. So let us increase the brush size now. And once we've done that, we simply brush over the text, like this. Then once you're done, let go of the left mouse button. And just like that, we remove this text from this incredibly complex image. Let us now do the same thing with the second part. And here as well, Canva actually did a pretty good job. But what if I told you that there is even a better method to remove text from an image in Canva? And that is by using Canva's new Grab Text feature. Let me show you guys. First of all, let us go back to the original image. Now once again, left click on the image and tap on Edit Photo in the upper left corner of the screen. This time under Magic Studio, select Grab Text. This will automatically detect and select the text in our image. And now if you press delete on your keyboard, see what happens. Canva perfectly removed the text from our image, absolutely stunning. And compared to the first method, the results here are even much better. As you can see, all the details in the background have been magically retained, and it really looks like there never was any text on this image in the first place. Absolutely brilliant. And this is how you remove text from an image in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.